Today I'll be making a cheese omelet. All we need are 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, a teaspoon of half and half or milk, and 1 slice of cheddar cheese. First we'll crack our eggs into a bowl. Add about 1 teaspoon of half and half or milk. Now we'll fluff our eggs with a fork. I'm using an 8-inch non-stick pan. We're adding our 1 tablespoon of butter. Reduce heat to medium-low and pour in our eggs. We'll let that cook about 3 to 4 minutes. The egg has been cooking about 3 minutes. We'll let it continue to cook. You don't want it to overcook. Okay, the egg has been cooking about right at 4 minutes. So I'm going to flip it over. All you have to do is get your spatula under the egg on the side there as best you can. Flip it. There we go. Turn off the heat. Let's add our cheese. You can also add diced ham, crispy bacon, sauteed mushrooms, bell peppers or tomatoes, and caramelized onions to your cheesy omelet. We'll go ahead and flip it over. Now we'll just let it sit in the pan and let that cheese melt. All right, our cheese has melted. All we have to do is plate it. And we have our beautiful cheese omelet. Not overcooked, ready to eat. Add salt and pepper to taste. It'll be delicious.